All right, welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals at 0 hour to make the best game ever. I can't even talk anymore. Okay, so last video we did prepare a change for Ukrainian translation error fixes. I forgot to test if actually still builds, so we should probably do that. Yeah, it builds. Okay, good. Then next we will go back to main branch after we stash. Then we stash pop. Okay, so what I would like to do now is merge some more of the pending files here. So we have these guys. We probably also perhaps make changelog. Let's okay. Let's create a new okay, update changelog. I wonder if we can also yeah. Perhaps we can also submit some of these things here. This probably should be a C++ program. I would say for now, perhaps we put it in dot formatting. Yeah, and then it's gone. Good. This one as well, dot logo. Okay, barricades review. I think we can submit this. Okay, then already it's a lot cleaner here. Update changelog add barricades review. Barricades txt review. Okay. Okay. Commit. Okay, I push this. Documentation. Okay, squash, delete, main branch. Okay, then we pull. Okay, next I would say we merge is the text Ukraine 3, which was not so much Ukraine related. This one. Okay, we need to stash. Then we need to rebase. Stash pop. Okay. Okay, and then we will have to add the YAML. Okay. Okay, so we search for this one here. And then we add this number. Okay, I hope that is complete. Can also search for tweak. Okay, let's check if this is complete. Yeah. Okay. Then we will improve tech building object descriptions. Okay, let's see if it makes sense. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 I wonder if we should perhaps here tech repair bay. This text in English is kind of lame. Capture to repair vehicles across battlefield. Why don't we say, what does the hospital say? Tech, object tech hospital. Capture to allow all infantry to auto heal. To allow all infantry to auto heal. It would be good if the text were consistent. Like capture to allow all infantry to heal. Capture to allow all vehicles to repair. Something like this. Right? To allow vehicles to repair at these facilities. To capture to allow vehicles to capture to, this can be simplified. Capture to, let's take a copy here. So I would name this capture to allow repair vehicles at this facility. Isn't that simpler? Capture to allow repair vehicles at this facility. That's a much simpler translation, no? English. Well, to German it translates wild. Perhaps to French. Huh? Capture pour permettre la répression des véhicules. So originally it's translates to the same, okay. Yeah, but I think this is a better wording. Capture to allow repair vehicles at this facility. Yeah, let's go with that. So we changes US from repair pad capture to allow repair vehicles at this facility. Yeah, I think that's good. Capture to why don't we write this to capture to auto heal all infantry? Isn't that much better? By the way, let's copy this. Allow to auto heal all infantry. All right? Which should also translate to the same thing. Well, it doesn't translate to the same, but the meaning is the same. Yeah. Capture to auto heal all infantry. To auto heal all infantry. Yeah, I would say we do that. Then tweak changes US from that. Yeah. So we got the hospital. Okay. Capture to allow repair vehicles at this facility. And here we say capture to auto repair. Well, let's first save this. Oh, we already have it. Capture to auto repair vehicles. What does it? Hospital say? To auto repair all vehicles. To repair all vehicles. How about that? Now the wording is consistent with the hospital. Oops. Capture to auto heal all infantry. Capture to auto repair all vehicles. Let's see the German. Yeah, the German is also consistent. The French. The French is also consistent. Yeah, okay. I think this is better. Capture to auto heal all infantry. Auto repair all vehicles. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is good. Okay. Then we need to create a new um 2517, right? Tech building names and descriptions. Building names and descriptions. Five 117. Yeah. Okay, so the title currently is this one. Today is the 28th of September 2024. Improves tech building object descriptions for all Latin languages. Yeah. So basically we added missing sentences, right? And we improved some of the wordings. Yeah, I think that was it. So fix. It's missing. How do we say? Okay. How do we say? It's missing sentences too. It's missing tech building descriptions to. Okay, we added it to Polish. German, French, Polish. German, French. Yeah. German, French, and Polish. Yeah, German, French, and Polish. German, French, and Polish language texts. Let's say adds some missing tech building. Well, it adds all, but only some were missing. Adds missing. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so that's a fix, and then we have a tweak. Improves. Well, then we should say here fixes and improves. Improves wording of tech building names and descriptions. By the way, I do wonder, is this reinforcement pads? Yeah. So we have changed the tech repair pad, so I do wonder if we need to update it elsewhere. Repair pad. No. Okay. What about this one here? Repair base. Okay, but this still is a repair. Okay, this is correct. Okay, what about the platform? This one here. Okay. What about this one? What about this? Okay. Okay, seems to be fine, hopefully. What about this here? Platformer. Okay, good. No, that seems to be fine. Okay, back to this. Okay, improves wording of tech building names and descriptions for all Latin languages. I can't remember if you put a dot there. We do. Okay. Then improves wording of tech for all Latin languages. That's missing tech. Okay, I think that's good enough. So this is minor text. Yeah. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay. So we have auto heal all infantry, repair vehicles at this facility, auto repair all vehicles. Yeah. Now I do wonder, the Spanish one, it also says Campo de Batalla. Let me see. This Spanish, English. Capture and repair vehicles across the battlefield. Para reparar vehículos. Capturing to repair vehicles. Ah. Capture para. Can we say here para cura infanteria like this? But it should say all. Repair all. Capture to automatically repair all vehicles. I'm gonna heal all infantry. Captura para reparar automáticamente todos los vehículos. Todos. Captura. Maybe that's better. Okay, changes ES from Hospital. Let's copy this. Para reparar automáticamente todos los vehículos. But this is not for cars. This is for... Hold on. This is infantry, and we need to change it here. Yeah. Yeah. And the Spanish, this one, Tech Hospital, Tech Repair Bay. Okay, here we say this. Captura para reparar automáticamente todos los vehículos. It reads all right. Captura. Here it says capturala. Captura, okay. Capturare. Okay, looks like we need to put an R here. Capturare. Okay. Okay, while we're at it, what about the Spanish? Italian, I mean. Italian. Cura automática. Hospital. Sul campo. This one also talks about the battlefield here. Okay, so Italian says garage. Conquer to repair vehicles in the fields. Yeah, garage. Okay, What if we put here also repair bay? Repair bay capture to automatically repair. Okay. Okay, how about we say, so IT currently is this. Changes IT from this. So it's garage. How about that? This looks all right. Let's see. Conquer it to automatically repair all vehicles. Yeah. That's good. Then let's go to hospital. And then we do here IT. And here we say conquer it to automatically heal all infantry. Conquistarlo per curare automaticamente tutta la infanteria. Yeah, I think this probably is okay. Well, then you can also do Portuguese, I guess, because that also uses super long description here. Let's see. What does it say? Brazilian. Capture this facility to allow all your infantry units to heal. Yeah. Yeah, I guess it's fine. What about this one? Capture to rare vehicles on the battlefield. It's a literal translation of the English one. Capture it to automatically repair vehicles on the battlefield. Vehicles. Automatically repair all vehicles. Okay, how about we take this here? Capture para reparar automáticamente todos os vehículos. Vehículos. Capture para reparar automáticamente todos all of vehicles. Yeah, so it's the same style as Italian and actually it's almost the same as the Spanish. Okay, but I think this is good. Okay, then let's automatically heal all infantry. Toda a infanteria. Okay, so here we take this. Changes BP from and here take this ester capture. So I suspect we can write it like so. Capture to automatically heal all infantry. Yeah. Okay. Much better. Shorter. Good. Okay. What about the repair pad? Yeah, I think that's fine. I think the repair pad is not even used in game. I still don't know about this garage thing though. Garage sounds weird. Garage. Italian garage. Garage. How do we say? Perhaps we take this one. Garage. Let's see if garage is used anywhere else. Here. Repair bay. So this is Centro Riparazioni. The other is the garage. And it also uses garage here. Okay, let's keep it garage. Yeah. It's weird, but it's consistent. Okay, garage. Okay, I hope this is good. Okay, so here we changed US. Here we changed IT and ES. BP is here. US, ES, IT, BP. Okay. Okay. I think this is all correct. Okay, adds missing tech buildings, descriptions to German, French, and Polish language text, improves the wording of tech building names and descriptions for all Latin languages. Minor text. Okay, I think this is good. Add YAML for the improvements. Okay. Then we can push. All right, good. Then we can refresh. Yeah. Okay, I think this is good. Hopefully no mistakes. Fix and improve tech bearing object descriptions for all Latin languages. Perhaps we should say object names and descriptions. Yeah. Update YAML, commit, push. All right. Then I think we can merge this. Improve. Tech bearing objects, names and descriptions. Confirm. Squash and merge. Delete. Okay. Good. Then next step, we can close this. Now I did run some more tests here with this tool, but we get errors, of course. Shape not supported. What if we do FP16? I guess this is a floating point. 16-bit, small. Maybe that's not good, I don't know. Okay, so we have completed our current text fixing efforts. Still need to merge this, but should be okay. We wait for the review from Yapik. Okay, then yeah, I would like to test more with these models, like the texture we work on right now, for example. Right, it's so low res, it's ridiculous. But the thing is, I haven't done yet many pure AI upscales. I tried to not do it. I did it for just a few. I did it for the cathedral, I think the water power plant, and the windmill. These three. None other. Because it's tricky. It bakes in the upscale, you know. I would like to not do this too much. Yeah, but so the model we last dropped off was cbnmegamal, right? cbnmega. Yeah. And that is quite low res. So I think this building will definitely benefit from upscale. But yeah, what's the best workflow there? I don't know. What we have done now is basically concentrate on fixing the source textures. Stay true to the original style, which is already enough work as is. Because the thing is, once you do an upscale, then you can't really fix discrepancies anymore, can you? Like you do this upscale, and basically your upscale becomes a new default. And you have to adjust all other textures to this new default anyway. So it no longer is a pure fix. It's a mishmash of things. It becomes messy. I've done this with a windmill, which went okay, but yeah. I mean, the 256 square textures, they are not so bad. For most buildings anyway. Like all the small buildings, 256 squared is perfectly fine. Also all the vehicles, the tanks, the Humvee and so on, they also have 256 square textures, and that's also plenty. So it's only bigger buildings that need the 512, really. And then obviously from there, you can upscale everything. But I think first goal would be to just upscale everything that looks kind of low res in comparison to other things. Like this mega mall, for example, or the arcade. No, what was it? The nightclub, that one. That looked kind of blurry, right? So, yeah. My hope is that we can somehow have a upscale where we take all these different variants, which there are the summer set, the winter set with all the damage states in garrison state, and the upscaler takes all the images together, and then it upscales them with knowledge of the other files, so that the details it generates are kind of consistent across all of them. Because otherwise they will start mismatching from one state to another. And that's not ideal. We want them to look the same. How we do this, I have no idea. I suspect there are tools for this. Going in this direction. Maybe. I don't know. It's a unique problem. Because typically you say, okay, we have this one texture, let's just upscale it, done, right? Don't worry too much about noise, right? So here I have also yeah, so I also tried with this ONNX model, but that also uses CPU by the looks of it. Oh, it's still executing. What is it executing? Nothing. Okay, let's disable this one. Let's enable this. Let's just run this in the background here. Run. Let's see what it does. Eventually, maybe it finishes in an hour. Yeah, I think what we first need to figure out is how to run these things on AMD GPU. Well, I need to buy NVIDIA GPU just for this. Yeah. Okay. All right. I would say we we open all the summer textures. Okay. But there is something to say about these low-res textures. They take much less resources. Makes for smaller game install. And I think at the end of the day, small, cheap game is worth something. Like with all these big hardware requirements nowadays for the modern games, one can really appreciate a game that doesn't have so much demand on resources. Right? Why do I have DSG? So if a game looks great even with smaller resolution textures, then I think that's also nice. And I think 0 Hour actually still looks pretty nice for what it is. Yeah. All right, so we had fixed a whole bunch of things in this file. Has been a couple days since we were distracted with Ukrainian. We remade the windows here. We fixed this, polished all this. So things look a little bit nicer. Obviously, it's still super low res, but yeah, if we now had an AI upscale, I would be curious to see what it upscales this to. So I'm running a test right now here. Let's see what this does. Maybe, but this takes too long. I remember I made some tests with Stable Diffusion. I got this to run on AMD. And then I got the what's it called? ESR GAN. That one's very fast command line and yields okay results. Not great, but it's okay. Yeah. Anyway, let's continue with our pixel mess here. I think next in line will be the documentation, perhaps. By the way, let's put this back here into our search. Okay. Okay, so the Megamal. Oh yeah, we are missing some documentation here. Fixes minor artifacts on walls, doors, and windows. Recreates large, small windows. I think we finished E, this and D. Okay, so we need to do E. Fixes floating and misalignment damage in alpha channel. Yeah. Fixes minor artifacts, yeah. On walls, doors, and windows. Recreates large, small windows, yeah. Polishes minor damages. What was this? Polishes minor damages. Ah, right. I think that was an exclusive D problem. Fixes wall reflection inconsistencies. Window reflections. Decreases reflection strength. Okay, all these are D-specific. Okay, recreates large mall windows. Yeah, sharpen roof. Fixes entrances. Fix screen windows. Recreates large mall windows. Okay. I feel that my computer is kind of lagging because of the AI process. It's ridiculous. So I have a AMD Ryzen 7. It's an older model. It has 8 CPUs and 16 threads, if I'm not mistaken. And it just hammers through. And the GPU is not doing much. 16%. It's not good. CPU is 80%. Yeah, it's totally running on CPU. Yeah. That's not good. Okay, fix white wall. Polish glass pipe. Fix saturation. Yeah, I think the fixes are good. Okay, and then on R, obviously, we have the same stuff. Exact same, yeah. Fixes floating and misaligned damages. Floating and misaligned. Okay, so fixes minor. I think what we also did here is burn edges. We add additional damages in alpha channel. And here we did improves house damage visuals. Yeah. By adding this burn here. What? This. Okay. Then let's open Winter. So we have SSG, DSG, ES, RS, and DS. There we go. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's not much snow on this. Okay. There's really not much snow on this model. Yeah. Okay, you know what I would do here? To make it extra simple, We take this cbnmegamal s merged, and then we take the snow and we call this s.dds. And that's not right. That's right. s.dds. And then we and then we paint with 50 opacity. We paint over all snow until all snow is gone. Yeah. Now you think, oh, that doesn't make sense. And yeah, it doesn't make sense yet, but it will soon. Yeah. Well, there could be some problems with this approach. Let's see. Okay, how about that? Now there is a problem. Since we draw over all these things, we will reintroduce all the issues here on these entrances. That's my guess. Okay, let's press now Control I. And that gives us now the snow. Let's see. Okay, it's not that bad. Yeah. It's not that bad. Yeah. Okay, so we probably need to clean up here a little bit. Paint more white. Yeah. Okay, here we don't have good painting. Okay, it's not looking too bad. We probably need to paint away a little bit here on these columns to get the highlights back that we have added. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We can probably also add a little bit of custom snow on top if this is not enough. Because it's very little snow, I have to say. Okay, here we can have a little bit more. On our cute bunny. Yeah. Okay, we can probably make this completely. This as well. Okay, looks like here we want to paint more. Well, maybe paint the whole thing here. Well, then we can just make it black. Black. Take the selection and this. Whites. All right. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Okay, so this way we get the original snow without too much layering work. Let's compare this with the original. This is S. Yeah, so we get details back. We have the snow for the most part. We can probably paint a little bit more down here. Okay. Okay, here I see a problem. Okay, fixed. Okay. Okay, looks good to me. Yeah. Then what we can probably do, first we can paint a little bit more here. All right. Okay. And so what I would say is we just add a little bit more custom snow here on certain pieces, because the original doesn't have much snow here. We can probably also clean up this. Here. Okay, I would say we then make this black. Select, invert, delete. Good. Okay, so we got the snow. Here. And then we can add a little bit more snow. Add custom snow. S. Snow. And then we take some nice white here. Like this one. Take a brush. And, oh, what happened? Oh, did a mistake. Select, invert, delete. Okay, we deleted the wrong before. Okay, add custom snow S. Snow. Good, so I would say we paint a little bit of here. Here a little bit. Oh, it doesn't look good. How about we take a fiber? Basically, I just draw the tiniest specks now. At random places. Here on the rabbits. Okay, and now maybe here a bit as well. And here a little bit. And now we do filter, noise. Let's do a mask, filter, noise, add noise. And we add some nice noise. Maybe like so. Yeah, makes it crispy, you know. Yeah, on the windows it looks good. Otherwise you don't really see it much. Yeah, I see it nowhere else, really. Okay. Then we apply that. Now we could make a duplicate to make the snow stronger, but do we want that? Perhaps make it a little less. How about that? Maybe it's a little bit extreme. Yeah. This is not bad, but how about we remove a little bit here? Here it's a bit much. Yeah. Maybe here's a bit much. Okay. Apply. And then perhaps we can paint a little bit more here, because that looks a little bit weak. Yeah. Then we take this selection here. Filter, noise, add noise. Oh, hold on. Mask. Filter noise. There we go. Let's make it 50, perhaps. How does that look? Kind of looks strange how much there is. It's so thick, that's the problem, I think. Perhaps we should how about here we make this black. And then we take our snow. We take a first we make a mask and we paint black here. Hundreds. Remove the snow. Then we had just painted. Okay, apply this. Let's maybe just paint a thin layer there. Take a 20 brush. Let's make a new layer. And we start painting here. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Let's call this red window snow. Okay. And then we create a layer, a mask, filter, noise. 50 is not bad. Yeah, I think that's better than the fat snow before. Okay, let's apply this. And voila, we have snow. Yeah, I think this looks good. Let's compare this with the original. Yeah, this looks good. Simple fixes. Okay, then we delete all this. and save. Save. Okay, what's the time? 1 hour 30. Okay. Okay, here. I suspect this will be very similar. Let's duplicate this to SG. Then we take G, copy merged, put that down here, merge this down, call this G merged. Then we take this one here, SG, DDS, we take a copy of this, we put that here, we take this selection, we mask it, we apply this mask, we merge it down, and voila, we have a base now. Yeah. Yeah. I think here it looks perfectly fine. Yeah. Down here also looks okay. Yeah. Well, maybe, let's see, maybe we need to remove a little bit here. Is it painting or not? Opacity. Okay, I see my mistake now. Flow. 20%, there we go. Okay, so we need to paint here, I think. Yeah, this is good. What about this? Yeah, maybe remove here a little bit. Okay, I think that looks good. What about this? Maybe I need to remove here a little bit. Okay, perhaps we paint a little bit here. Yeah. Okay, here we have now the snow painting over the barricades. Perhaps. Yeah. I think what we need is add custom snow SG barricade mask G. And we take this here. And we put this here, put that, oops, here, invert, and then this inside, and there we go. Yeah, I think that is not bad. Yeah. Now we can take this mask here and copy it back to S. So that they are consistent. Yeah. Okay, let's compare this with the original. Yeah, looks promising. We do have some more snow here. Yeah. Okay, let's also look into the window reflections here. Okay, they don't have snow in those. Yeah, okay. So we certainly will have to document fixes window reflections over window barricades. Okay, so what we need to fix is fixes window reflections over snow. And the same will be here in SG. Okay. How do we do this? And then obviously also the other things here. Yeah. Fixes minor artifacts on walls, doors, and windows. Recreates large, small windows. Fixes window reflections over snow. Yeah. All these things apply. And so now we need to take a copy of this one and create here a new alpha. Alpha group. Put in this one, call it merged alpha. And And we should probably take the alpha from here. Copy. Because I still have not figured out why this introduces noise. Something is wrong. Now there's no noise. Maybe it's some kind of feature. I do not remember having asked for this. I would like to get to the bottom of it. Like, why is this happening? Is this still happening? So we copy this here. And we paste it here. Huh? It's hard to see, but I think it's there. Yeah, there. How can we see it? Here. There we go. So somehow it introduces these artifacts, and I don't understand why. Why is this happening? This didn't happen in the past. If we do it here, levels. Here's nothing. Why is this happening? Photoshop noise in alpha channel. Why noise in alpha channel? It's looks like my problem does not exist. I don't know why this happens. It must be some setting. Copy merge. If I create a new image, if I create a grayscale image, 8-bit, and I zoom in here and I paste this, what happens? Okay, it also has these pixels. Here, there. Okay, so it happens on an 8-bit image, but why? How can we avoid this? Let's put a curves here. Okay, this makes it visible. Okay, how do we avoid this? That's a question. This one is free. Okay, let's create a new white. Here's a white, and here I put a gray rectangle. Here, gray. Then I copy this and I put it here. It's black now. Why? Okay, I have no idea why this turned black. Ah, because of the curves, right. Okay, does this have the pixels or not? This, yeah, it also does. What's wrong? It's an RGB 8. It's really weird. And it only becomes stronger. The more you copy this, I think. I don't know. Well, nothing we can do. Other than living with it. Good, so here we have S. Then let's add customs now. Customs. Okay. Alpha. Yeah, how do we do this? We need to have a diff. Yeah. We need to have a diff. Where's this mask here? Yeah. Okay. So we got this. We take a okay, we need megamal S and this. Yeah. Okay. Then we take a copy of this. We actually already have it. Copy. S. Okay, put it here. This is S. Here and that. Okay, so this is SDDS and this is a regular one, right? Yeah. So we put S up here, put that on difference. Then we create a group S, this difference, put that in there. Then we create this, take this mask here. Maybe we should give this a name. Snow mask. Snow mask S. Put this in here and put this in there. And we also use it here. Snow mask S. Put this in there. And then we take this here. We set this to lighten. And we create another here. This. Snow mask S. Put this in here. Then saturation levels. Put that here. Delete. This is black and white. All right. And levels, we raise that bitch, which is not much. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Yeah. What about this here? Okay, here we need to make customs now. We can only really use it on the windows. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I would say we take a mask here. Here. Let's make it a tiny bit larger. And here. Okay. And here. And that. Okay. Yeah, that's all we need really here. So we take this and that. And then we have here add custom snow as. We duplicate these guys in here. Yeah. We put here custom snow mask is yeah, let's apply this and that. Here add custom snow. Let's copy. Custom snow alpha. Saturation. Black and white. that on lighten. Okay. And here we put another brush, brushed. And here we take our brush here. We make, and then we paint here, custom. Let's take a copy of this. Put it here, it's a reference. And then we brush here with 20 flow is good. Okay, let's brush. All right. Brush a bit more. Okay, that will do, I think. Yeah, good. Then we can fix artifacts here. Fix artifacts. S. That's called brushed. Fix artifacts. Take a pencil. Opacity 100. That's a bit too much. 10% should suffice. And then we paint here a little bit of white. There we go. All right. All right. And then we paint here a little bit and there. Very good. Maybe that was a bit too much. Okay. All right. Perhaps we put a levels here. We slide that a little bit. Okay. Very good. A little bit more here. Okay, I guess it's fine. Good, so let's kill the levels. And then we can do we need the snow mask here? I don't think we need this mask. Yeah, I don't see much of a difference, so we can probably omit this. Yeah. Let's call this add original snow. Let me delete this mask. Yeah. Perhaps we paint a bit more white here. All right. Still too much, yeah. All right. Okay, I think this is all right. Okay, add original snow, add custom snow. Alpha. Okay. And this should do. Okay, let's take a look how this looks now. S. Just look at S. Built. Okay. cbnmegamal S. All right. Compare that against this. Okay. Oh, I killed the light. Okay, so the reflection here looks good. Reflection on the doors looks good. Yeah. Yeah, I think this looks fine. Snow on the roof looks good. Yeah. We don't have snow on the sign here. Perhaps we should put some snow there. Oh, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I think this is good. Okay, great. Then Then we can replicate the render reflection to SG. I think here we simply need I think it will just be this. Plus G. This. Lighten. Yeah. Let's call this well, I just merge it. SG alpha. SG alpha. Copy. Paste. All right. SG alpha delete. Okay, we can also delete this. What is this group here for? Delete. Let's call this add snow SG. Add original snow SG. And let me put this in here. And here we call it add original snow S. There we go. Okay, great. We got S and SG done. What's the time? 2 hours 10. Yeah, I think it's time for a break now. The next video we will continue with DS. This one. And then, yeah, and then so on. This might be easier than we think it is, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, well, the advantage is when the textures are this low res, it's more forgiving, right? When the texture is highly detailed, then you need to work a little bit more precise, but here it's so low. It's forgiving. All right, I hope you enjoyed. We are making progress. Yeah, maybe we can finish the winter set soonish. Yeah. All right, then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.